Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Practice Podcast. If you want to speak English naturally and confidently, this series is for you. We will practice simple daily sentences together. Just listen, repeat out loud, and speak by yourself. Let's improve your English step by step. Day 1, basic feelings and wants. I am tired, I am happy, I want coffee, I want to eat, I like music, I like this. Speak slowly. Repeat each sentence 3 to 5 times. Day 2, daily actions. I am going to work. I am watching TV. I want to learn English. I like my job. I don't like waiting. Speak slowly. Repeat each sentence 3 to 5 times. Day 3, questions and actions. What are you doing? Where are you going? I am going home. I am talking with my friend. Speak slowly. Repeat each sentence 3 to 5 times. Day 4, giving reasons. I am happy because I finished my work. I like coffee, but I don't like tea. I want to go out and relax. Speak slowly. Repeat each sentence 3 to 5 times. Day 5, thinking and feeling. I think this is a good idea. I feel tired today. I had a busy day. Speak slowly. Repeat each sentence 3 to 5 times. Day 6, improvement and change. I am trying to improve my English. I am getting better every day. I feel more confident now. Speak slowly. Repeat each sentence 3 to 5 times. Day 7, natural questions. Do you like coffee? What do you do in your free time? Have you ever tried this? I usually watch movies on weekends. It depends on my mood. Speak slowly. Repeat each sentence 3 to 5 times. Day 8, past actions. I went to work yesterday. I met my friend last night. I watched a movie. It was really fun. I didn't like it. Speak slowly. Repeat each sentence 3 to 5 times. Day 9, future plans. I will call you later. I'm going to study tonight. I will try my best. I'm going to travel someday. I hope everything goes well. Speak slowly. Repeat each sentence 3 to 5 times. Day 10, opinions. I think this is a good idea. I feel happy today. In my opinion, this is better. I agree with you. That makes sense. Speak slowly. Repeat each sentence 3 to 5 times. Now, here's the practice method. Listen carefully. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Speak loudly. Record your voice. Then listen and improve. This is the best way to grow. Don't just read English. Speak it every day. Small practice equals big improvement. Keep going. You are doing amazing. See you in the next lesson.